Got some more here, guys. It's a washing machine. We've got a washing machine, I think. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, it's a hot heater boiler. There's a bit of tat in that, you know. I thought it was a little tiny washing machine. See that heat exchanger there? Look. I ain't gonna get to it somewhere. There we go. Little water heater thing, I think it is. There's going to be something in it. Get up. Get up. Let's go and get some more. Some corrugated sheeting. Lovely stuff. Car battery. And some hinges in a box. Right, let's see if we can get this sorted. Well, I'll get this loaded on and I'll show you when it's loaded. Right, it's the last piece now, and I'll chuck that battery on and put them up the sides nice. We're going to make some right racket now. Oh, and the old lovely car battery. These are piling up now. Right. You know what I'm going to say, do you? Let's go and get some more tat. Look at them, and we're going to make a right noise. Right, catch you on the next then. Right, we've got some more here, barbecue.